What's the deal with the parrot?
What's an eagle? Are you telling me you don't recognize what kind of bird that is?
I have bird blindness.
Bird blindness?
I can't tell the difference between one type of bird and another.
Hey, but a duck and an eagle are totally different sizes.
Yeah, well, they look the same size to me, man. To me, they look and move just like any other bird.
Wow.
Bird blindness. It's my sole weakness.
Titties! Encino Man! Get in here! I can't tell how big this thing is.
Fucking bird blindness.
Oh, fucking duck attacked me.